Past clients are like gold. A lot of home inspectors just do an inspection and then they get paid and then they shake their hands and wash their hands of their past clients and they don't talk to them at all. But that's insane. Your past clients are out there and they are an unpaid sales force. They are talking about you. And what are they saying? Are they saying good things or bad things? They're probably saying good things because you keep in contact with your past clients. And here's a great way to keep in contact with all of your past clients using the Home Maintenance Newsletter. It's a free system provided by InterNACHI for InterNACHI inspectors. So start keeping in contact with past clients. Your past client database is like gold. So if you click the link, we'll get to the resource that InterNACHI provides, the Homeowner Newsletter. It's a free online system, and you log into the newsletter system with that green button there, and it's free to members, and it has 5 years worth of monthly issues, and it can include your photo and logo in each issue, and you just type in your client's name, their email address, and their zip code, and you add the client to the newsletter. Now, it doesn't spam them. An email is sent out to a client that knows who you are, right? So they're expecting some communication between your client and you. And so they're going to receive an email and it's going to invite them to subscribe to the newsletter. And when they subscribe to the newsletter, they get monthly newsletters for 5 years, absolutely free. It's just a good way to keep in contact with you. Your contact information is on the first page of the newsletter. So it keeps you in front of them, reminding them what a fantastic home inspector you are, right? So those were good business tasks. Now let's work on some essential tasks. Remember, every step has business tasks, essential tasks, marketing tasks. So let's go to step 3, essential tasks of this masterclass. Essential tasks are next.